Okay, today we're changing the cabin air filter in this Scion, and here's how you do it. Open the glove compartment. It's easier if you empty everything out, but I'm really lazy. And then you're going to just pull up on each side, and it just comes right out, okay? So down here on the bottom, that's where they just snap in, super easy. And then in the back right here, see this tray? Snap with two hands. Pull it. Oh, yeah, this one's way overdue. All kinds of grubby in here. Okay, so carefully do this outside the car so you don't drop stuff back in the car. Okay, like this. Take your new one. My trick is to write the date I changed it, right there. And then slide the new one back in there. Oh, it goes like this. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the airflow right here. It tells you the airflow direction, and that's important because of the way it's set up for efficiency. And since we know this flows down, because remember all the dirt that was in the top, we want to make sure it's oriented that way. And then just clip it back in here. Like that. These are little tabs right here. I'm always a little delicate with these older cars because you don't want this plastic things to break off. But see, now that's seated in there nice and firm. And you're done. Slide that back in until it pops in. Honestly, this next part's the trickiest part. Just getting this to line back up in there. And you just kind of feel around. I mean, there's no real magic here. It's just, you get them both to snap, and then it closes. You're done. And then just put this back in. Honestly, this is the trickiest part, is getting this to line back up. And you're just kind of feeling around under here, those bottom hinges. And that, it's as simple as that. Okay, you're done.